Shinshiv, it's Mr. Gaelic. I'm Gaelic, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. Here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. La Bdia Sauriela, another beautiful summer day here in Skye. And I'm out by the river. The river in Gaelic. It's really important one this in terms of length, because you'll notice there's no long vowel here. It's A, B, H, A, I, double N. So very short at the beginning. Avi. And the other thing, which I pointed out in a few other videos, is the A, I, double N at the end. So there's no N sound. Places like the River Avon in England come from the same root, but the pronunciation in Gaelic is not Avon, but Avin. And I want you to look at my mouth, the difference between the River Avon and the Gaelic word Avin. Avin. I'm overextending it a wee bit at the end, but it should be very short. Avin. And the important thing is there's a very similar word in Gaelic, the word for oven, which has a long vowel. So that is Avin. Avin with an MH. So yeah, it's important to distinguish these. It's okay to fall in the river just now, but you don't want to fall in the oven. Ganavin. And I'm sure you'll agree, she avin al in your hasho, avin vria. For more tips on how to get rid of English sounds from your Gaelic, subscribe to my channel.